If you're looking for a cheap clear case for your new iPhone 12 mini, Spigen's Ultra Hybrid is a good value at around 12 mini to $15, depending on the trim color or which version of iPhone 12 mini you have. Yes, there are a few color options. If you are interested in buying this case, link is available in the description below. No drop rating is listed for the case, but it feels like Spigen transparent cases offer reasonable protection. If you want stronger protection, Spigen's Tough Armor case is an option for $17, but I personally prefer Spigen's Ultra and Neo Hybrid cases. Note that a lot of these cheaper clear cases have a habit of turning yellow and degrading over time and becoming less translucent, but they're cheap enough that you probably won't mind shelling out for a replacement if that happens. If you'd like to show off your iPhone 12 mini, especially that new blue color, you should get the Ultra Hybrid. This shell case features a clear back, so your iPhone 12 mini color shines through, but you still get the protection from the bumper around the frame. The Ultra Hybrid case ensures a high level of protection. If you're one of those people who want to keep the color of the device as natural as possible, Ultra Hybrid has the advantage of being completely transparent, leaving the design of the phone protected and clearly visible. The back is flawlessly clear. Although this case is lighter than its Tough Armor sibling, it still retains the air cushion technology on all corners. Whether you opt for the totally clear case or one with a sleek red or black border, this option lets you show off the natural color of your brand new phone. The bestseller features a TPU bumper, a durable back and raised bevels that keep the screen and camera elevated. Everyone's biggest fear with clear cases is worrying that they might turn yellow. Well, that's where Spigen got their idea to create one that'll at least leave the back flawlessly clear, Ultra Hybrid. While still keeping the shock-absorbent bumper, they designed the back to stay non-porous and clear everlasting, making this a perfect option for those wanting to showcase their new Pacific Blue or Navy iPhone 12 mini.